Today I draw a trending flower pot. In this I put up some real flower in this pot. So please follow the steps so you can also make it. Now I make some pattern on this so it looks beautiful. So some easy pattern I draw so you can easily draw on this. Very easy pattern that a kid also draw. So flower pot is ready. So now put up the real flower. So firstly you hold in the place that you put the flower inside the hole. Okay, one by one put the flower in the hole. So in this I'm not recording well when I put the flower in the hole. Last picture you clearly saw how it is look like. Okay, so this is ready, so you can try with your bestie, make it and tag me. Thank you for watching.